In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to customize your iPhone home screen in just a few simple steps. So let's dive right in. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallpaper. Now tap Add New Wallpaper. Here, choose your favorite background. It could be a solid color, gradient, or any image that fits your vibe. Once you're happy with your choice, tap Add. Then Set as Wallpaper Pair. Perfect. You've just set your new background. Next, from your lock screen, tap and hold to bring up the customization options. Tap Customize, then turn on Dark Mode for a clean, modern look. Now, for the fun part. Widgets. Tap and hold. Any app, then tap Add the widget, search for Calendar, and pick your favorite style. Add the widget, then drag and rearrange your apps and widgets to match your own aesthetic. And that's it. Your iPhone home screen now looks stunning and completely personalized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.